Hi there everyone. I'm just leaving from a parallel parked space at the side of the road. So here we go. Start the car, turn on the ignition, right foot on the brake, get rid of the parking brake, place the gear selector to drive, signal to the left, check the rear view mirror, check all around the car basically, and then check the blind spot over the left shoulder, and if it's safe then we go, and it is. Now the stop sign, it's gonna be a right turn and we have a white line, so the signal to the right, turn the wheel slightly to the right and stop behind the stop bar or the white line. Now can I see clearly to the left and right? No. So I inch up, there's no one in the crosswalk, with the wheel slightly turned to the right. Now I have clear visibility to the left, and it's also clear to the right, no one in the crosswalk or sidewalk. So I make my turn. Now this is the proper way of holding the steering wheel at the 9 and 3 position. But we all know once you have your license, you're going to be driving like this, or just one hand there at the 9 position. Once you have your license, yeah, you can do these things, but at least you know the proper way is 9 and 3. Not up there, not down there. Okay. Now the next street, it's a right turn. So I put my right signal on, check over my right shoulder, and hand over hand steering. Now bring the wheel back, because see, if I don't bring the wheel back, you see what happens? The car goes over there, and that's how you could crash. So remember, if you make a turn, don't allow the steering wheel to come back on its own. You should bring it back. Now it's going to be a left turn at the stop sign, signal left, stop completely. This is a three-way, I'm the only one here. Check again, hand over hand steering. Speed limit here 40 kilometers an hour. I'm driving exactly at the speed limit, 40. Now there's a stop sign ahead and I need to make a right turn. So I signal right, check mirror and shoulder. I have my student sitting beside me. Signal to the right, and I don't have a white line or crosswalk, so I hug the curb and stop at the edge of the road. Then I check and it's safe, so I go. The roads are bad here. Wow. Okay, next street down, it's gonna be a right turn, and again I'm gonna show you, prove to you that if you don't bring the steering wheel back, you could crash. So hand over hand steering to make the turn. Now I'm gonna let the wheel go. See what happens? Crash. So always bring the steering wheel back. Do not allow the car to straighten itself out, because you'll crash. It's 40 kilometers an hour, and I'm right on the money. Now we're making a sharp left turn here, so see, I'm gonna steer the wheel, turn the wheel to the left. Now I let the wheel go, but you see where the car ends up? On the wrong side of the road. I have to bring it back on by myself. The car does not drive itself.